Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashlyn. In today's video, I will be taking you along with me as I decorate for Christmas, and I'm so excited. I love Christmas. We have a lot of decor still from last year at our apartment, and we also bought a few new things at Walmart yesterday, so I'm really excited to share those. I love decorating early for Christmas, so it can be up a little bit longer than just 1 month. Last year, I stuck with a more neutral theme and had a couple of pops of color here and there, but I would like to incorporate some more reds this year. I might get a few more things at the store. We'll see, like for the Christmas tree and things like that. This video is going to be a lot of fun, so make sure if you're new that you stick around and subscribe. I would love to have you. I post videos here on YouTube weekly on homemaking and cleaning and all of those fun things. But let's go ahead and get into the video. Before I get into the rest of the video, I just wanted to come on and say hi. I know it's been a little bit since I last posted a video. I filmed this about a month ago before my husband and I actually went back home to visit our family for Thanksgiving. We stayed there for about 2.5 or 3 weeks, and we also went to Disney World with my husband's family during that time for 5 days, and that was a lot of fun. This was actually the first time we visited home since last Christmas, and it was just great to be back in our hometown and have a blast there with our families. They've of course been out here to visit us in Texas, but it's just been kind of a crazy year with building our house and my husband's job and different things like that. But we had some great family time, and I'm excited to be back and filming more videos, so I really hope you enjoy this Christmas clean and decorate with me. First thing I like to do when decorating for Christmas is just set up the tree as the starting point. So my husband Landon is helping me out here. We actually ordered a new tree this year for our new home. It's a 7.5-foot pre-lit tree from Walmart. It was really affordable. We have 10-foot ceilings here, and our old tree from our apartment was quite a bit shorter, and it was flocked, which was super pretty but also very messy, and our dogs loved to eat pieces of flocking, so we decided to just stick with a basic tree for this year. Watch out for rain. Now that the tree is up, I'm just fluffing the branches out, and this takes such a long time. I probably spent about 45 minutes or an hour doing this, especially since it was a new tree. It was just very stiff, and I had to really figure out which direction the branches went. But it's all worth it in the end once it looks really pretty and is all fluffed out.
Chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake.
This corner by our couch has had extra pillows and other things taking up space for a few months now, so I wanted to declutter this spot and just make it look a lot better, especially with the Christmas decor coming in. This couch that we got when we moved in a few months ago came with like 12 pillows, so that was a lot, and we have some stored in the guest room, in our bedroom, and then out here, so I just put the rest in the guest room. Now that vacuuming is out of the way, I'm putting these red bows on our bar stool chairs. I always see this on Pinterest every year, so I was really excited to do this in our home. Unfortunately, I didn't think about that big white piece in the center of each chair, so I just kind of secured the bows to one side at the top instead of in the center like I originally planned, but I think it turned out really pretty.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
These are all of our Christmas decor bins from the garage, so now I'm just going through them to see what I've got for this year. We didn't really add many new pieces, but we did pick up a couple things from Walmart that I'll share later in the video.
Angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
Last year, our Christmas tree theme was very neutral and just kind of like the gold, silver, white tones, and it also had the flocking, which added a lot to it, but I wanted to keep it simple this year, so I didn't do any garland. I just did the pre-lit lights on the tree, and then I added a variety of ornaments from kind of like the themed neutral look from last year, but I also added a bunch of like more personal ornaments that my husband and I have, and I think it looks really pretty, so you'll see clips of that at the very end of the video.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
The next day I started with hanging up our stockings using these small command hooks, which worked really well actually. I wanted to be able to hide the hooks, and I really like how this turned out. I think it looks nice and simple, and you can't even see the hooks at all. Next, I'm just starting to move some decor around, and I'm also putting a few things in our guest bathroom. The tree farm sign was in the Target dollar spot last year, and the tree and pine cone were both from Hobby Lobby last year as well.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name.
For the entryway area here, I just kept it pretty simple. The polar bear and the metallic looking Christmas tree on the left of the bench were both from Hobby Lobby last year. If you couldn't tell, that is my absolute favorite place to shop.
Now I got my eye set on you. Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe.
And then the Santa Claus on the bench is from Walmart. We just got that last month. And so is the little wooden house on the right of the bench on the ground. Then the tree with pine cones and a burlap base is from Hobby Lobby again last year.
Trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the voice.
You can probably already guess where these pieces in the kitchen are from. They're from Hobby Lobby last year. The cake stand that I'm using is actually from Kirkland's, though. We got it a few months ago for the fall decor. So the last main thing I'm decorating here is the entryway table. The two green trees on the left and the silver tree are both from Hobby Lobby, and the nutcracker along with the two fabric green trees over on the right are both from Walmart. They actually had a lot of really cute Christmas decor there, but I eventually want to get a longer entryway table here. It just hasn't been a priority this year, but eventually I'd love a longer one where I can put a really big mirror we got from Kirkland's last year, put that above the table. It'll kind of open up the space, but for now I think this looks really pretty.
Going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way, yeah.
I didn't show us decorating the tree, but I wanted to include some footage of the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Pretty much all of the ornaments are from Hobby Lobby and a few are from Disney World, but I just like how it turned out to be really simple, and there's kind of a theme, but not a theme like I had last year, and I just really like the fact that it's personalized with the more unique ornaments, because I think it's important to incorporate memories and different things like that on a tree, especially, in the future when we have kids. But that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you liked watching me clean and decorate for Christmas. It is one of my favorite holidays to decorate for, and if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around for more videos in the future, and also give this video a like if you did enjoy it. It really helps my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.
Show you, but somehow felt I